Hello Makati, hello world, this is Attorney Angel and I am your legal angel. For today, I will share with you my unpacking and unboxing of my new fountain pens. Let's start off, and I also have a new ink. Okay, so, and because it was sealed in Noteworthy, I have two more. So let's start with my delivery from the fountain pen palengke. It was delivered last week and I'm opening it only now. Yeah. Very well packed. Taped. Blue. Also, stub nib. This stamp. Nice. Very light. And another one, purple. But I thought I ordered pink. It's also nice. Here. Twist cap, stub nib, and with ink cartridge. So let's move on. Let's move on to my new ink. By the way, shout out to Attorney Joan Ranada. He said she will bring her limited edition inks next week. This one. It's Rose Pink Ink, Monteverde, USA. Nice. Ano ba ito binubuksan? Yes, for nice color. I think I can use this for highlighting. Here's the sample. And then let's go to Schaefer fountain pen. It's a very nice color. And the tip is also nice. Yeah. I got it from Noteworthy. They had a sale. I also had it in blue. It says that Attorney Angel Gravel. I'm the Attorney Angel Gravel. Comes with 2 free ink cartridges. And there's a converter inside. And last but not the least, Parker. Very nice color as well. Yes. medium mid. And I had it engraved with Legal Angel. Nice. Comes with a converter as well. So that's it for today. God bless you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, nice comments only. And always remember, glorify God with a grateful heart. Till next video. Thank you.